channel. Today I am going to talk on the subject science and technology. Science and technology has improved a lot. New things are being introduced day by day. One such thing is the smart bulb. I am going to unbox the Nanoleaf bulb. This bulb is very affordable. It supports 16 million colors. It has Thread and Bluetooth connectivity. To use this bulb, we have to scan this QR code and download the Nanoleaf application. Now everything is ready. Let me switch on the light. The light using through Nanoleaf application. Color to green. Siri, change the color to light blue.
Okay, light blue, it is.
Siri, change the color to dark blue.
Dark blue, coming right up.
Okay. Siri, change the color to pink.
Okay, turning things pink.
Siri, change the color to light pink.
Light pink, coming right up.
Siri, change the color to white.
Okay, white, it is.
Siri, off the hall light.
Okay, the hall light is off.
Siri, make the hall light brightness to 30.
Okay, I've set the hall light to 30%.
Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.